If you only have 1 hour per year to do something positive toward minimizing GHG emissions, reducing fuel cost, and improving driver safety, you're in luck. Validate your Clean Cities profile so that stakeholders and fleet administrators have access to trusted research, funding opportunities, and guidance in purchasing sustainable vehicle technologies. This brief tutorial will guide you through the process. In this example, we will register with Empire Clean Cities. Type Empire in the search box to view your profile prior to registration. You will see that your profile details and contact us functionality are locked, so that fleets avoid contacting resources that are not responsive. Register by typing https://fleetwiki.net/register in your browser. Create an account. And view the video tutorial. Then change your Contact Us status to Validated and save your changes. Now, type Empire in the search box and view your profile again. You will find that your profile details and Contact Us functionality are now unlocked. That's all that is required. You're done. The whole process takes about 5 minutes. When stakeholders and fleet administrators visit the FleetWiki website and register with their zip code, they are automatically linked to their local Clean Cities partner. Typically, they learn about FleetWiki through a Clean Cities event or newsletter. For example, Manhattan Beer Distributors operate 400 delivery trucks out of 5 warehouses. Management dedicates a great deal of time and effort towards minimizing the company's environmental footprint. Their corporate offices are in the Bronx. When registering with their zip code, they are automatically linked to Empire Clean Cities. Here, they have full access to their local Clean Cities profile. Out of 400 delivery trucks, Manhattan Beer Distributors has replaced 150 with natural gas trucks, but they are always interested in doing more. Their pursuit of sustainable technologies begins by typing truck in the search box. The knowledge base returns relevant technologies, suppliers, resources, and discussion forums. Clicking on a technology takes you to that research topic. Here, you will find everything you need to evaluate and justify purchase decisions, including discussion forums, news, resources, research, recent updates, and a supplier directory. Each supplier profile contains Contact Us functionality, resources, and links to their technologies. The final, and in many cases, the most important step is guidance from fleet professionals with a neutral point of view. This is why FleetWiki was designed and tightly integrated with Clean Cities. Clean Cities profiles begin with a link to the funding page. Programs available to Manhattan Beer Distributors are the New York Clean Trucks Program and the New York Truck Voucher Incentive Program. Guidance is available by clicking the Contact Us icon. Last year, Manhattan Beer Distributors added 5 new Volvo electric trucks to their fleet, through the New York Truck Voucher Incentive Program. Our mutual goal is to bend the curve on GHG emissions. Since NASA scientist James Hansen testified to Congress in 1988 that global warming is upon us, emissions have increased 5-fold. Our generation caused this, and we are responsible individually, and collectively, for fixing it. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 opens a window of opportunity to expand the adoption of sustainable vehicle technologies to more commercial fleet operators, like Manhattan Beer Distributors. FleetWiki directly supports new incentive programs offered through local Clean Cities partners in 2 ways. First, through Fleet Leads. And second, through organic search. Access Fleet Leads by clicking your profile icon, My Company, and then My Market. View the Fleet Leads overview in My Market tutorials. In this example, we'll look at the prospect records available to Empire Clean Cities. Click Geography and then select New York. 61,000 records are available to download. This is the record layout for Manhattan beer distributors. The second way FleetWiki draws fleet administrators to Clean Cities partners is through organic search results from search engines like Google and Bing. Fleets that register with their zip code to research sustainable technologies and participate in forum discussions are directly linked to their local Clean Cities partner. Here, content is king. Full participation at the national level and by local Clean Cities partners by contributing research and moderating forum discussions will yield the greatest benefits. Take a few minutes now to validate your profile. Also, please contact editor at fleetwiki.net to discuss a network-wide program. If a window of opportunity appears, don't pull down the shade. Tom Peters.